Okay, hey, it's me, Gareth from Fort Monkeys, and we are on the Sky Princess in the Piazza on deck 5. And we're just going to take a spin around these lower 3 decks and try to get away from this loud music. I think it's already too late. This is Bellini's bar, and back there is one of the dining rooms. That's where we're going to end up in a minute. This is the International Cafe, so they have specialty coffees which you can buy, but they always have food here, 24/7, food. Food, food, food. And these people are from the spa. This is Sabatini's. I think it's a $35 cover charge. This is guest services, and it's getting a little busy because this is second to the last day of the cruise. This is shore excursion desk right here. So here's the Lotus Spa. We're heading forward on the port side, the left side. Lotus Spa at the Enclave. And these are the forward elevators and stairs. So I walked back to guest services. There's Sabatini's again. Here's the spa people. We're back out to the Piazza on deck 5. Heading aft now though. Here's the people that run this ship, and they do a fabulous job. And this is the Vines Wine Bar. And I learned on this cruise that they have food that's included in my Premier package. And this is gelato. And this is where you can get your specialty desserts. And he loves to make them. They're a hassle. And this is Celebration. Now, it's a candy store, but way over in the corner there, they sell deodorant and razors and combs and things like that. Hi. And this is the Internet Cafe. So they still have one. And you can log in on these computers if you have the plan. Right? Plaza Deck 5, that's Soleil Dining Room. And I'm going to go up these stairs. Hi. To Deck 6. We're going to make the same spin around that we did on 5. Or similar. So, the dining rooms go all the way across. Thinking this is Cielo? Doesn't say. Estrella dining room. Let me just, I think we've eaten in this one more than any other. And they did the culinary experience in the theater today. You know, where they throw food at each other and stuff, if you've ever been there, if you've ever seen that. Right, so all the way across, the dining room on 5 goes all the way across, and there's another dining room in the back of 6, aft on this deck. Of course, these are your officers. Captain, Miguel, hotel manager. This is the art gallery, and some of the art is gone because they're getting ready to do an art auction. This is the photo gallery, photo and video. It's all on computer. They don't print a bunch of pictures out and leave them on shelves or anything. This is Good Spirits at Sea. They do a show here every night. Let's go through Take 5. This is the Take 5 Jazz Lounge, we'll call it. And they're setting up a green screen. Hi. I'm thinking maybe the morning show's ready to be filmed there. I don't know. I've never seen them with a band here on this cruise, but I don't come through here that often. We had a cruise critic meet and greet here on the second day of the cruise. So we're all the way forward now, and this is Churchill's, and I'm just going to open this door and stick this camera in because I don't want to disturb my smoking friends. And this is the Princess Theater, and we're going in on the ground floor. Oh, and there's going to be a guest speaker here. So it's pretty crowded. But That's the Princess Theater. Wow. It's packed. I'm going to cut across. This is the forward stairs and elevators again. Forward. Fiesta Deck 6. This is another entrance to the theater. And the casino. Yes, they allow smoking in the casino. And it doesn't matter, I think over there is non-smoking, over here is smoking, but you know, it's one big room and it smells like cigarettes. So, whatever, right? Cruise cash through here. Shops. So over there was the photo gallery, remember? We're over on the starboard side, the right side, heading aft. And this is one of the shops. And it's like several shops together. Let's just go in. So if you need watches or jewelry or perfume or whatever, champagne, there you go. Here is the Future Cruise Center and the Captain's Circle desk. Go Princess Loyalty. And the puzzles. This is where they put the puzzles. So, and we are back to the Estrella dining room on deck 6. And we're going to go up the stairs to deck 7. So I went up the midship stairs to deck 7 and I walked to the piazza is right there. See, these are the circular stairs going down and up. This is Ocean Terrace Seafood Bar, that's a sushi bar. We're going to walk forward on the port side here, wrap around and come back. So a lot of things are 50% off, but they have been the whole cruise. And tax-free. And they have cigarettes. And liquor. And jewelry. So we're walking back to the theater again, or forward to the theater, as the case may be. That's this theater. Promenade deck 7. A quick buzz in here again. Pretty crowded. So I'm crossing over to starboard now. Front elevators and or forward elevators and stairs again. Now we're heading aft. More shops. That's where the shopping expert would be. I've never seen them there. Don't know even who they are. This is where you can get your perfume. Perfume. Hi. And purses and more jewelry. We were just over there. We're gonna head back here. First I'm gonna cross over here real quick. This is the Catch by Rudy. It used to be Bistro sur la Mer, but now it's the Catch by Rudy. Right here. The entrance to it is over there though. And this is the sushi, Ocean Terrace Seafood Bar. And it's sushi. And it's really good, but you can't eat all of it. And then this is Alfredo's, which of course costs money now. So does that. You can get things a la carte or as part of your packages. Of course, here's the piazza from deck 7. They're getting ready to play an egg drop game. Now, deck 7 is interesting because you can't go anywhere on the right side, on the starboard side. There's no walking on the starboard side, at least for passengers. Crew maybe, but not passengers. That's one way to get out. On the port side, left side, you can't walk. Starboard side you can. This is oceanfront. This is where you get help with your medallions, or you can buy accessories. This is Princess Live Cafe. You get specialty coffee there too, but it costs money. This is Princess Live, and of course it's being taken over by an art auction yet again. So, just to be clear, we are walking aft to the back of the ship on the starboard, the right side. Bathroom's right in there. And this is the Crown Grill and Bar, or the Crown Bar and Grill. So this would be the bar area. And this would be the Crown Grill. And I'm gonna, they open it up for people to play games or cards or whatever. Looks like a full house today. Crown Grill, $39 cover charge. It's a steakhouse, ship steakhouse. I've never gotten to sit at this table, but I thought you might want to look at it. Anyway, we're almost done. There's really only one other thing here, and that's the Vista Lounge. And with Princess Live and Vista Lounge, that's where trivias and game shows and things occur if they're not big enough for the theater. So before we go, well, let's go in here. Cut through. I think they're getting ready for a rousing game of bingo. Bingo!
Be nice.
Just getting in practice. Of course, this is the Vista Lounge bar. Janet's here somewhere, right there. We're gonna step outside real quick. There are not a lot of places to go outside on the lower decks. Well, deck 7 is the only one, and you can only do it in the very back, which is where we are, or in the middle. We are outside. We're somewhere in the North Sea. So I suppose over there would be maybe Germany or Holland, the Netherlands. We're headed for Belgium, but we don't get there till tomorrow, so that could still be Norway, which is where we came from. And over here would be England, the UK, the British Isles. But, you know, like I say, we're in the middle of the ocean. So, and it's noisy. From the Sky Princess, I'm Gareth, and Janet's inside, and I'm saying I'll see you in the next port. Bye.